Unit 16, Part 2, Endocrine Glands. Endocrine glands in animals possess a communication system to coordinate biological functions. Exocrine glands and endocrine glands are two kinds of glands found in animals. Exocrine glands are found in different groups of the body of animal as well as human beings. These glands are called ductless glands. Their secretions are called hormones. The secretions diffuse into the bloodstream and are carried to the distant part of the body. They act on specific organs which are referred as target organs. Exocrine glands have specific ducts to carry their secretions. Example, salivary gland, mammary gland, sweat glands. Endocrine glands present in human and other vertebrates are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, gonads, thymus gland. First one, pituitary. The pituitary gland is a pea-shaped compact mass of cells located at the base of the midbrain, attached to the hypothalamus, composed of two lobes and perform different functions. They are the anterior lobe adenohypophysis and the posterior lobe neurohypophysis. The pituitary gland forms the major endocrine gland in most vertebrates. It regulates and controls other endocrine glands and so is called as the master glands. Hormones secreted by the anterior lobe adenohypophysis of pituitary. The hormones secreted by anterior pituitary are growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, gonadotropic hormone, prolactin. Growth hormone. Growth promotes the development and enlargement of all tissues of the body. The improper secretion of this hormone leads to the following condition. Dwarfism. It is caused by decreased secretion of growth hormone in children. Gigantism. Oversecretion of growth hormone leads to gigantism in children. Acromegaly. Excess secretion of growth hormone in adults may lead to abnormal enlargement of head, face, hands and feet. Thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. TSH controls the growth of thyroid gland, coordinates its activities and hormone secretion. Adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. ACTH stimulates adrenal cortex of the adrenal gland for the production of its hormone. Gonadotropic hormone GTH. The gonadotropic hormones are essential for the normal development of gonads. Follicle stimulating hormone FSH. In male, it stimulates the germinal epithelium of testes for formation of sperms. In female, it initiates the growth of ovarian follicles and its development in ovary. Luteinizing hormone LH. In male, it promotes the Leydig cells of the testes to secrete the male sex hormone testosterone. In female, it causes ovulation, responsible for the development of corpus luteum and production of female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. Prolactin. PRL is also called lactogenic hormone. This hormone initiates development of mammary glands during pregnancy and stimulates the production of milk after childbirth. Hormones secreted by the posterior lobe neurohypophysis of pituitary. Vasopressin, oxytocin. Vasopressin. In kidney tubules, it increases reabsorption of water. It reduces loss of water through urine, hence the name antidiuretic hormone. Deficiency of ADH reduces reabsorption of water and causes an increase in urine output, that is called polyuria. This deficiency disorder is called diabetes insipidus. Oxytocin, it helps in the contraction of the smooth muscles of uterus at the time of childbirth and milk ejection from the mammary gland after childbirth. Parathyroid gland. The parathyroid glands are four small oval bodies that are situated on the posterior surface of the thyroid lobes. The chief cells of the gland are mainly concerned with secretion of parath hormone. Functions of parath hormone. The parath hormone regulates calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body. They act on bone, kidney and intestine to maintain blood calcium levels. Pancreas, islets of Langerhans. Pancreas is an elongated, yellowish gland situated in the loop of stomach and duodenum. It is exocrine and endocrine in nature. The exocrine pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which plays a role in digestion, while the endocrine portion is made up of islets of Langerhans. The islets of Langerhans consist of two types of cells, namely alpha cells and beta cells. The alpha cells secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. A balance between insulin and glucagon production is necessary to maintain blood glucose concentration. Insulin. Insulin helps in the conversion of glucose into glycogen stored in liver and skeletal muscles. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cells. That decreases the concentration of glucose in blood. Glucagon. Glucagon helps in the breakdown of glycogen to glucose in the liver. It increases blood glucose levels. Diabetes mellitus. The deficiency of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. It is characterized by increase in blood sugar level, hyperglycemia, excretion of excess glucose in the urine, glycosuria, frequent urination, polyuria, increased thirst, polydipsia, increase in appetite, polyphagia. Next, adrenal gland. The adrenal glands are located above each kidney. They are also called suprarenal glands. The outer part is the adrenal cortex and the inner part is the adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex. The adrenal cortex consists of three layers of cells. Hormones of adrenal cortex. The hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex are corticosteroids. They are classified into glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids. Adrenal medulla. The adrenal medulla is composed of chromaffin cells, hormones of adrenal medulla. It secretes two hormones, namely epinephrine, norepinephrine. They are together called as emergency hormones. It is produced during conditions of stress and emotion. Hence, it is also referred as flight, fright, and fight hormone. Reproductive glands. The sex glands are of two types, the testes and the ovaries. The testes are present in male, while the ovaries are present in female. Testes are the reproductive glands of the males. They are composed of seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells and Sertoli cells. Leydig cells form the endocrine part of the testes. They secrete the male sex hormone called testosterone. Ovary. The ovaries are the female gonads located in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. They secrete the female sex hormones estrogen, progesterone. Estrogen is produced by the Graafian follicles of the ovary and progesterone from the corpus luteum that is formed in the ovary from the ruptured follicle during ovulation. Thymus gland. Thymus is partly an endocrine gland and partly a lymphoid gland. It is located in the upper part of the chest, covering the lower end of trachea. Thymosin is the hormone secreted by thymus. Functions of thymosin. It has a stimulatory effect on the immune function. It stimulates the production and differentiation of lymphocytes. Next gland, thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is composed of two distinct lobes lying one on either side of the trachea. An amino acid, tyrosine and iodine are involved in the formation of thyroid hormone. The hormones secreted by the thyroid gland are triiodothyronine. Second one, thyroxine, T4. Functions of thyroid glands. Production of energy by maintaining the basal metabolic rate of the body, BMR. Helps to maintain normal body temperature. Controls growth of the body and bone formation. Essential for normal physical, mental and personality development. It's also known as personality hormone. Regulates cell metabolism. Hypothyroidism. It is caused due to the decreased secretion of the thyroid hormone. The abnormal conditions are simple goiter, cretinism and myxedema. Goiter. It is caused due to the inadequate supply of iodine in our diet. It leads to the enlargement of thyroid gland, which protrudes as a marked swelling in the neck and is called as goiter. Cretinism. It is caused due to decreased secretion of the thyroid hormones in children. The conditions are stunted growth, mental defect, lack of skeletal development, and deformed bones. They are called as cretins. Myxedema. It is caused by deficiency of thyroid hormones in adults. They are mentally sluggish, increase in body weight, puffiness of the face and hand, edematous appearance. Hyperthyroidism. It is caused due to the excess secretion of thyroid hormones, which leads to Graves' disease. The symptoms of protrusion of the eyeballs, increased metabolic rate, high body temperature, profuse sweating, loss of body weight and nervousness.